Today I'm going to be unboxing the Galaxy Z Flip 5, and this is the mint one, I believe, if I remember correctly. So I have the box here. I'm just going to get right to it. This is also the 512 gigabyte version because Samsung offered a free memory upgrade. Kudos to Samsung for making the base models 256 gigabytes this time. Hopefully, going forward, all manufacturers will follow suit, at least on the flagship devices. Alright, so I'm cutting the tape here. Let me see. This is kind of thick. Alright, I think I got it. Alright, so here we go. Here's what we have. The phone is on this side. And the lid here is probably the cable. Yeah, this is just where the cable is. Excuse the cats again. They decide it's lunchtime when I start recording. So yeah, there's just a cable in here. I'm sure there's a SIM removal tool as well, but I won't take any of that out of here. Put that back. Let's see. I think it was like this. Yeah, right to the phone. So it was a thin box. The phone comes unfolded, sitting in the box with cameras facing up. So I'm going to take this cover off of it. Again, trying not to tear it too badly. Not that it matters, just my OCD, I guess. Let's see. Okay, here we go. I found where to get it started. Alright, so we'll put this in the lid, and I'll actually get rid of all this. So here's the phone. Across the top feels like there might be a microphone up there and possibly a SIM slot, although there's something along the left side, so I'm assuming that's the SIM slot. It's the only thing along the left side. Bottom, there's speaker, microphone, USB-C port. Along the side on the right is the usual volume buttons up top and power button down below. It's kind of it's not completely flush, but it's almost flush. I could barely feel, well, I'll just say it's not as pronounced as it usually is on the side key. All right, on the back here, we have the dual camera bump. I'm assuming this is mostly screen on this top half, and down here at the bottom, there's a sticker I need to get rid of. And I guess this is technically the only thing that's meant about it is this bottom half down here. Let's see, does it have the Samsung protective? It might have plastic around the edges, but I'm not going to worry about that right now. I'm just going to flip it shut. Should I try to open it one-handed? That's opening it, closing it. All right, I'm gonna, so this closes flat, completely flat this time. Apparently it didn't do that last time. I didn't notice that on my Z Flip 3, but that's something that they've improved along with this external screen. I'm going to turn it on with the screen folded and see what happens. Felt a vibration there. So it's loading up now. I'm going to see what I can do, if anything, with the screen, or with it folded. So when it's folded, it reverses the volume keys, so that, well, because they switch places, so it switches places. I'm gonna see, just gonna try some things. That shortcut doesn't seem to be doing anything. I don't know if it's even, I'm holding the volume keys. Let me put 2 fingers on the screen, see if that does anything. It's probably telling me right now, open your phone, dummy. But I don't see it. I'm just gonna open it. All right, now everything will probably work. Let's try the, so volume's kind of low right now.
Spoken feedback so that you can use your
Let's see how
device
loud it
without
gets.
looking at the screen. You can turn talkback on or off by holding both volume keys for several seconds.
It gets pretty loud. It was
Permission
just
request. Allow talkback to make and manage phone calls. Accessibility volume set to 57%. Allow talkback to allow. Samsung Setup Wizard. Welcome.
right now. Let's see. Now the talkback's on.
Screen off.
What was it saying on this screen?
System UI.
Nothing that talkback can read. So
Screen on. Samsung Setup Wizard. Welcome.
I guess we're done here. I'm going to. These buttons are hard to find and press. I wonder if it was like this on last year's model. Let's see. Hold these.
Power off menu. Power off button.
Okay, powering it off for now. Close it. Let's open and close it once more. All right, so this is the unboxing of the Galaxy Z Flip 5.